Here are 50 everyday phrasal verbs for everyone in English, each with a sentence example. Wake up. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. Get up. Please get up and join us for breakfast. Brush up on. I need to brush up on my Spanish before the trip. Log in. You need to log in to your account to access the information. Turn on. Can you turn on the lights, please? Turn off. Don't forget to turn off the stove when you're done cooking. Take off. You should take off your shoes before entering the house. Land on. The bird will land on the tree branch. Take off, plane. The plane will take off in 30 minutes. Get on. Please get on the bus before it leaves. Get off. I need to get off at the next subway station. Pick up. Can you pick up some groceries on your way home? Drop off. I'll drop you off at the airport before my meeting. Run out of. We've run out of milk. We need to buy some. Check out. We can check out the new restaurant this weekend. Go out. Let's go out for dinner tonight. Set up. I need to set up my new computer. Clean up. It's time to clean up the kitchen after dinner. Call off. They had to call off the event due to bad weather. Break up. They decided to break up after 5 years of dating. Get in. Please get in the car. We're running late. Get out. We need to get out of the house for some fresh air. Show up. I hope everyone will show up at the meeting. Dress up. Let's dress up for the costume party. Dress down. You can dress down for a casual day at the office. Back up. Don't forget to back up your important files. Fill out. You need to fill out this form for the job application. Figure out. Can you help me figure out this math problem? Hang out. We can hang out at the park this weekend. Look for. I'm looking for my lost keys. Have you seen them? Run into. I ran into an old friend at the store yesterday. Run over. Be careful not to run over that toy with your car. Throw away. Please throw away the empty boxes. Take over. She will take over as the new team leader. Take care of. I'll take care of the kids while you're at work. Cool down. After the workout, remember to cool down. Warm up. You should warm up before exercising. Speak up. Don't be shy. Speak up and share your thoughts. Break down. The car broke down on the way to the beach. Bring up. She brought up an interesting topic for discussion. Settle down. They plan to settle down and start a family. Look after. Can you look after my pet while I'm away? Make up. Let's make up and be friends again. Turn up. I hope the missing keys will turn up soon. Point out. He was quick to point out the mistake. Catch up. We should catch up over coffee sometime. Go through. You need to go through this document carefully. Stand up. Stand up and be recognized for your efforts. Hand in. Please hand in your assignments by the deadline. These sentences should help you understand how to use these phrasal verbs in various everyday situations. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.